Alright, so the Galaxy S21's design leak is here, and gotta say the new design looks miles better than this year's S20 series, especially than the S20 Ultras, which had that bland and flat look. This new design has a more character and a better aesthetic. So in it, the camera bump is going to be a part of the frame, so it melts over the edges, giving it a sleek look, and the S21 Ultra's camera module is now even bigger than the already huge camera bump of S20 and Note 20 Ultras, and I have somewhat mixed feelings about this. Either way, we'll see how practical would it be. Also, we would have color coordinated lenses on the camera module like the Note 20 Ultra that further enhances the design, whilst S21 Ultra may not look so pretty in its black color, but sources suggest that it'll look much better in other colors, which we'll talk later in the video. The back of all the S21s is going to have a matte finish. Finally, also a source suggests that the S21s may have flat sides like iPhone 12. Now, it's a rumor and may or may not be true, and all the S21s would be a bit lighter than the S20s. Now, it still isn't confirmed whether the cheaper models of it would have glass or plastic, but there would still be 3 models like this year: S21, S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra, but the prices are changed too, so stick till the end of the video. Now, about the design of it, now it is on its early stages, so it may enhance in the future, so if it does, then I'll make a video about it. Speaking of which, there will be triple cameras on S21 and quad cameras on S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. We would have the HM2 108 megapixel main camera on the S21 Ultra, which would be much better than that on the S20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra. It would have better dynamic range, better autofocus, and reduction of saturation in favor of more natural looking images. There would be 2 zoom lenses on the Ultra model, and the 100x zoom may return with significant improvements, and we would also have a 40 megapixel selfie camera on the front too. And if you're enjoying this video, by the way, subscribe to my channel will be massively appreciated. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of this year. Please make that happen. With that said, the screen sizes would be pretty much the same, slightly smaller, with 6.2 inches, 6.6 inches and 6.8 inches on S21, S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra respectively, and they would have super thin bezels that would be symmetrical, giving you a uniform look up front, and Samsung would use the term blade thin bezels for it. The hole punches would still be there, but extremely small. Unfortunately, we won't have an under display camera, maybe with Galaxy Z Fold 3 or Note 21. Either way, we would still have 3K displays with 120Hz refresh rate and LTPO technology that would save better life by varying the refresh rate depending on the content being displayed. S21 and S21 Plus would have flat displays, while S21 Ultra has a curved display with a 92% screen to body ratio, and we may also have an ultrasonic max fingerprint scanner, which is a massive in-display fingerprint scanner. As for the specs, we're gonna have up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. The battery sizes would be the same as this year, with 4000, 4500 and 5000 mAh on S21, S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra respectively. As of the chipsets, we're gonna have Snapdragon 875 in selected regions and Exynos 2100 globally, both of which are based on 5nm architecture. But unlike this year, Exynos 2100 is going to be incredibly powerful. We just had our first look at the benchmarks of Exynos 1080, which is a mid-range chipset for next year, and it has already surpassed Snapdragon 865 Plus and Apple's A14 Bionic chip inside the latest iPhones. So just imagine how overpowered the Exynos 2100 inside the S21s is going to be. Samsung would literally go Super Saiyan with this. We still don't have the benchmarks, but sources are very positive about this. Exynos 2100 will literally make Galaxy S21 the most powerful phone of the year. As of the colors, S21 is going to come in gray, pink, violet and white colors. S21 would have black and silver colors, while the S21 Ultra is going to have black, silver and violet colors. They all would be coming with Android 11 based on One UI 3.0, and I've also heard that Bixby is going to get quite a lot better with more features, more AI and new designs. And surprisingly, the S21 series is going to come in January instead of February, which is quite quite early. S21 is going to start at just $899, S21 Plus at $1099, and S21 Ultra at $1299, which is $100 less than this year, which is interesting. So that's all I got today. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. Give this video a thumbs up, and as always, I would catch you guys in the next video.